BMW X1 after the test drive for about 100 miles. What we got here? We got no brake pads on the back. We're missing one parking sensor, and all that is because we have a wrong headlights. Yeah, nothing in the engine. Plus another thing, tires are empty and we have no gas because he said it stumbled on the acceleration couple times, and I think BMW can do that because you got flat tires. Let's see what we got as far as the oil pressure. Let's see if we still got the pressure. Yes, we do. It's about the same numbers. Now, what I would like to see filtering. Yeah, that's gonna be a problem. So overall, I don't know. I don't see nothing skeptical right now. Trans. Man, where do I find a filtering on this one?